Hey, what's up again, guys? This is SM. Today we're going to be going over how to stay relevant as an artist in 2020 on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. The ways you can do this are simple. Be consistent, which is posting on the regular, connecting with your fan base, and also doing mainstream things like doing videos, also generating focus on what you're doing in the community, places you might go, people you might talk to. Basically, you're gonna want to take pictures wherever you want to go, show your face on the camera, do everything you can to keep building your brand so that other people can see you as a brand, as a business, so they can fall in love with who you are, and give you more attention on the side of that ways. Now, when you're posting on Instagram, you're gonna want to work the algorithm. You're gonna try and post as often as you can, at least 3 times a week. You're gonna want to utilize hashtags and also put it on your storyline, and you're going to want to send it to some people. You're going to want to tag people, and also you're going to want to put a location to where you are so that people can know where they can look for you and know where to get information about you, to see insights about where you're recording things or what's going on in your daily life. Now, Facebook is more on the side of connecting with people. As you know, we have Messenger and WhatsApp connected to that. Instagram is more for pictures and videos, and you can also post like tutorials. A lot of the time I use Instagram to focus mainly on showing my brand instead of connecting people to my brand. Now, Facebook I use to connect to my brand instead of showing people. You understand what I'm saying? So if you're ever on Facebook, go look up All For God Muzik, and we do live music reviews. We do all kinds of giveaways and contests, and it's Christian based, but we do not hold ourselves in any type of box. So if you guys want to submit music through us to get played, go ahead, right on to you. We support every and each artist. You know what I'm saying? Everyone has dreams, and just because I'm a Christian doesn't mean that I can't help you guys out, because you guys are still trying to reach your dreams too. Now, Twitter, honestly, I don't really use. It's not really that much relevant as it was back in the day. I would mostly focus on Facebook and Instagram. But if you're looking to grow as an artist in 2020, I would say to utilize Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Now, Facebook is a good tool because you can send a lot of messages through Messenger. You can give a lot of content and not be restricted to how many times you request friends. You could also have a bunch of people follow you, and they have a rule of 5,000 followers, but you can make it so where anyone can follow you in any such ways or any such aspect. Now, in today's time, you have to make your content readable and readable and at the ready for your brand, because people don't want to waste time and sit there and have to go and check out each link that you send. Make sure you're professional and that you send it in the right ways. Now, not everything's gonna be perfect. You don't have to have a big spill of things, and you don't have to have too much of anything. You just have to know how to connect and always stay connected to these people. The number one thing about having a business is connecting with people, and as an artist, it's 90% business, okay? 90% business. You're gonna be mostly connecting to your fan base. You're gonna be mostly connecting to future fan base, and you're gonna wanna be attracting people to something that they can gravitate and learn from you off of. Now, if you don't have a fan base, I can give you a management course and we can talk about that privately. But as for now, this has been ways to stay relevant as an artist in 2020. And I hope that you guys got great insights off of this video. And make sure you stay focused and don't sleep, because people are working just as hard as you. So remember, keep grinding and don't ever stop. Your dreams are right there. Lil Baby 6 years ago was nothing, in jail. You know what I'm saying? Russ 6 years ago was nothing. You know what I'm saying? So you can get this, but it's not a sprint. It's definitely, you're gonna have to put the work in, you're gonna have to put the time in, and you're gonna wanna make sure your brand is correct. But after it's all said and done, make sure you always stay relevant on Instagram, Facebook, and keep pushing your music each and every week. And just find different ways you can connect with your fan base, with your team, with your everything, because fans are everything. So if you like this video, smash the like. Make sure you subscribe for more videos. And if you haven't seen my content on how to become and edify yourself as a better artist, please check out that content. Links in the description. And have a blessed day. Peace.